Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can buy coins in 8-Ball Pool. To buy coins in 8-Ball Pool, open up your 8-Ball Pool application on your mobile device, and once you're inside the home section, tap on the shop button at the top of the screen. Inside the shop button, select coins. Now, you will be given various options to purchase different amount of coins. Each option will show the price in real money. Choose the amount of coin you want to buy from the options, and then you'll be prompted to make a confirmation. Go ahead and confirm that you would like to purchase, and you'll be prompted to select a payment method. Choose your payment method such as Google Play, Apple ID, or other payment options depending on your platform, and confirm your payment and complete the transaction. Once the purchase is successful, the coin will be added to your account immediately. You can now use the coins for betting in matches, purchasing queues, or other in-game items. That's how you easily buy coins in 8-Ball Pool. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more tutorials like this. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.